Greetings. This is Shishti Khemka, your host at Ideasha. Today, I'll be giving you a detailed walkthrough of an AR based gaming application. Before we move on to the walkthrough, let's find out what AR actually is. So, AR stands for Augmented Reality, which is a groundbreaking technology that seamlessly merges the virtual world with the real one, enhancing the user experience by overlaying digital content into the physical environment. In the realm of gaming apps, AR has had a profound impact, revolutionizing how users interact with and enjoy their favorite games. AR gaming apps introduce an entirely new dimension of immersive gameplay. Players can see virtual characters, objects, and interactive elements integrated into their real surroundings through the lens of their smartphone or AR glasses. This integration not only takes gaming to a whole new level of excitement but also offers numerous benefits such as real world engagement, social interaction, physical activity, brand new gameplay mechanics, and endless possibilities. As an app development company, harnessing the power of AR can set the users' gaming apps apart from the competition. The impact of AR on gaming apps is a testament to the ever evolving landscape of technology and user entertainment. Embrace AR and you'll unlock a whole new dimension of gaming excitement for your users. So, without further ado, let's move on to the walkthrough. After downloading the application, users can enter the email ID and password to log on to the platform. In case the password is incorrect, they can reset the password and then again continue with the sign up. Next, they have to select the city that they currently reside in. The next step for the users is to select the mode they want to play the game in. It can be a single player mode or multiple players. In multiple players, they can choose to enter a game that has already been created by choosing this option, or they can create a new team. After clicking on continue, the team has been created and they can share this code with their friends to invite them to the game. Once all the team members have entered the platform, they can now click on continue. Now they'll be taken into the application where they can start exploring and select a game to play. At the top of the panel in the application, users can find their daily challenges, which will show them a list of all daily challenges that they can complete within the game to earn points. Next, they can also redeem vouchers from the game by entering the voucher code, choosing the source of the voucher, and also selecting the size. They can also contact support in case they are facing any issues with the platform and need help. Once the users have selected the game that they want to play, they can go ahead and click on the button to start the game. They can find out about all the rules of the game from this panel. They can also view their tasks to complete the game from this panel, and they can also check their players and who is leading in the team from this panel. In order to continue playing, they have to click on the continue playing button. To continue in the game, the user has to click on get clue button. Now they'll get taken to the clue section, and here they have to choose from the options given below to find out about the correct answer to the clue. Once they have found the answer, they can click on next and the location will get unlocked. Now they'll get the clue to find their treasure, such as the task is to find a street lamp. Now they can also use the application to track this. Once they've tracked it through the application on the map and they find the item, they can now click on click selfie. After they click the selfie, they have to upload it and then they'll earn points for the completed task. And then they can click on proceed. Now the user gets taken to the next question. Again, they have to guess the correct answer to the clue and then proceed with the game in the similar manner. Every time they unlock a location, they get hints to follow the map to go to that place in real time, and then they can track their location. Similarly, we can again click a selfie and upload it. This way, the game continues until the end. Then the users can go back to the home screen. In case the user wants to buy points to unlock further options, they can click on the question mark button on the top right panel of the application, and then they can click over here to buy points. After making the payment through the App Store, they can successfully continue their purchase, and their points will get added into the application. They can now use points from here. Users can also check on all notifications that they receive from the application by clicking on the bell icon at the bottom of the panel. Here, all the notifications will be visible to them. Next, we move on to the profile panel. Here, we can see all details related to our profile, such as email ID, if we want to reset our password, delete our account, or sign out of the application. From the badges panel, we can also look at all the badges that we've earned in the game itself, such as Star Earner, Make People Happy, Ultra Powered User. These are a few badges that the profile has earned. Lastly, to sign out of the application, the user can click on the sign out button and they'll again get taken back to the login page. Thank you for watching this video with me. I hope you like the content and continue watching other videos with Ideasha. Have a nice day.